Just had to give Cameron a fat hug. I'm about to turn it around and show you why. This is the most beautiful place ever. Finally out of the rainstorm. Cameron, do you want to tell everyone what happened?
Well, it was raining. I was cruising our regular speed, you know. There was a sign that said icy bridge ahead. And I was like, it's raining, not storming, like ice. Well, I should have thought that, you know, icy bridge ahead still should have meant I should have slowed down. So I kept going, and there was a fat puddle of water. Like it was a meaty guy. Like we went from 65 to probably like 35 by hitting that puddle, and the whole car got drenched in water. I learned from my mistakes. My legs were really numb when that happened. I was very scared. It smells so good out here.
Duking it out here. Night hike. Still smells delicious.
Hiking Durango, day 2.
Started off a little bit late for our hiking.